Hi, my name is Kaitlyn McMullan, and for my final for my Chinese Calligraphy 208 class, I will be talking about the Chinese writing system. So we have the six dynasties before Qin, Han, Wei and Jin, Tang, and Yuan. So before it was the foundation of the Chinese writing system. It started with the oracle bone script, which is inscription on bones or tortoise shells. And then we have Qin, which is the greatest contribution to the development of Chinese culture by unifying formerly miscellaneous written scripts into seal script. It made the seal and clerical script. Next we have Han, which is known as the boom of clerical script. Its brushwork became masterful and styles varied. We have Wei and Jin. It created the regular script, and it was known as a period of transformation where cursive script was introduced. Then we have Tang. It represents the climax of feudal cultural in the entire Chinese ancient history. Calligraphies of this period had very prominent and striking characteristics. It also created the regular script. And then we have Yuan, which had limited economic and cultural developments. And then we're going to be looking at examples of the scripts that we went in class. Here's an example of the regular script, the seal script, the clerical script, the cursive script, and then my favorite, which is my Chinese name and learning how to write it. I didn't know I was going to be able to get that opportunity in class. So when I found out that we were going to write our Chinese name, I was actually surprised, and I actually had a lot of fun going through and doing it in class as a group together instead of me struggling as an individual trying to figure out my name. The overall reflection, I had a great learning experience from this class. It really opened my eyes up to different writing systems that I did not know about. And it was really fun just to relax and write, which I don't get to do a lot because usually as a student, a college student at that, we have to write our papers and stuff, which is usually stressful for me. Another thing that I really liked was that I wasn't the only person to struggle in this class, especially with pronunciations and figuring out how to write the characters that we were given in class. And lastly, it really opened my eyes to new things. It really helped me understand the world a little bit better, and especially like Chinese cultural and history. And I was really grateful to have this opportunity to take this class and really understand because I want to travel after college. So if and when I go to China, it would really help me having this type of background.